In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix BlueStacks error 2004. Something went wrong, installation failed. So to address this issue, follow these steps. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for BlueStacks. Verify that your operating system, CPU, RAM, and graphics card are compatible. Step 2. Download the latest version. Go to the official BlueStacks website and download the latest version of the BlueStacks installer. It's essential to have the most up-to-date version to avoid compatibility issue. Step 3. Run as administrator. Right-click on the BlueStacks installer file and select Run as administrator. Elevated privilege might help overcome installation issues. Step 4. Disable antivirus and firewall. Sometimes antivirus software or firewall settings can interfere with the installation process. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall, and then try installing BlueStacks again. Remember to enable them after installation. Step 5. Clear temporary files. Clear temporary files and folders on your computer using the built-in disk cleanup tool. This can help ensure a clean installation process. Step 6. Check for Windows updates. Ensure that your operating system is up to date by checking for and installing any available Windows updates. Step 7. Update graphics drivers. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can cause installation errors. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, for example NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, to download and install the latest drivers. Step 8. Enable virtualization. Technology: VT-X AMD, VT-X/AMD-V. BlueStacks requires virtualization technology to be enabled in your computer's VIOS/UEFI settings. Access your VIOS/UEFI during startup and enable virtualization technology. VT-X for Intel, AMD-V for AMD. Step 9. Check disk space. Ensure you have enough free disk space on your system drive, usually C. To install BlueStacks, if your drive is low on space, consider freeing up storage or installing BlueStacks on a different drive. Step 10. Use a clean installation directory. During installation, choose a clean directory for BlueStacks. Avoid installing it in directories with previous BlueStacks installation or other software that might interfere. Step 11. Temporary user profile. Create a temporary user profile on your computer and attempt to install BlueStacks in this new profile. Sometimes user profile corruption can lead to installation issues. Step 12. Contact BlueStacks support. If none of the above solutions work, contact BlueStacks customer support for assistance. They may provide further guidance or specific solutions based on your system configuration and the error you're encountering. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.